It's that time of the year again. Creepy closet time. Took me a while to figure this one out. There we go. Hi everybody, it's the holiday season, and this year I kind of lost my mind a little bit. So I was at my freelance gig and I was in the States, and I hit up Target, and Target has so much cute holiday decor. But I managed to get a whack of holiday decor. Now that I'm another year older and another year wiser, I am trying to theme out my holiday decorating a bit better. I'm kind of a hodgepodge kind of person with ugly Christmas trees, but I think I want to refine it just a little this year. So today, you are decorating with me. I thrifted a Christmas tree a while ago, and it was 6.5 feet, and then I went on Facebook Marketplace and I found myself a flocked Christmas tree because we're moving on up. This one is 7.5 foot LED pre-lit tree. If you're looking for faux Christmas trees, I wouldn't even try buying it new. There is always somebody selling or at the thrift store getting rid of their used Christmas trees, and I have never bought a faux Christmas tree new. No! It is very hard to find cute Christmas decor here, and if there is, it's about $10 per piece. I don't really know if I checked the price on these actually. Oh, $5. Okay, yeah. I ended up with a few. My nephew is a beagle. So I got two, one per household. My niece is a Catahoula mix. We call her Mr. Ratburn because she looks like Mr. Ratburn. This is the closest that I could find a German Shepherd. This one's for you, Tasha Leland. And then I couldn't find any Boston Terriers. But then the other day I was at HomeSense or Winners or something, and I found one kind of busted Boston ornament. So we're working off a theme here. It's food, cars, and dogs. The three most important things in life. In terms of color scheme for the tree, I still don't really have one yet. I like red, and I think I'm gonna do another holiday setup because there's two fireplaces in the house, one up here and one downstairs. I'll set up the one downstairs, I think a full decked out pink and red theme. And then the one up here is just whatever I have. I have lots of DIY decor to supplement all of my missing ornaments. I made these. Is that strange? It's also white on white, which is not great. So Christmas tradition in my family was actually very British. If you know, Hong Kong was under British colonization. My family has recipes that were passed down for a long time, including very classic turkey. Until I met Steph, I thought stuffing was very different from what he has. So my idea of stuffing is like essentially breadcrumbs and liver, a lot of parsley and celery into this delicious gloopy pile. And stuffing was always my shit. If I had to choose, I would take stuffing over turkey. But then I met Steph, and he had, I think one Christmas, the first Christmas that I was with him, I had bread cubes in the stuffing. They have bread cubes in stuffing, and I was like, what is this? And it took me a while to get used to, but now I love it. And Steph makes this stuffing with whole cranberries in it that's like a huge hit. We haven't attempted a turkey yet, but that's gonna be maybe 1 year. This year, we almost couldn't get family Christmas time together, which would have devastated me. My favorite time of the year is Christmas, so I would have been really sad if we missed yet another Christmas. Since my sisters lived in Vancouver for 5 years now, she lives away from us, and she always works over Christmas because it's time and a half. So then I decided to ask my parents if they wanted to come to a Lammy family Christmas, which is kind of scary, but like we're actually quite similar. His mom's side of the family is, I feel like, would mesh well. But like in Chinese tradition, you just don't meet each other's parents until you get engaged. But you know, times are changing and I gotta get used to it and suck it up. And Steph's dad has this annoying habit now of watching my videos. He's probably gonna troll me on WhatsApp after this. Silky poodle. I think our Christmas tradition in my family is quite classic, but I would love to hear what your Christmas traditions are in your family or amongst your loved ones. When it was just me and my parents, we would do hot pot every year. I love this so much. When it was like a family friend potluck, there was always a potluck where one person would bring a large sushi tray, one person would bring curry fish balls of some sort, and then there's at least one kind of mayo, potato, fruit, cocktail fruit salad, which sounds weird but is very tasty. I also DIY'd these little guys, a little mushroom scape. That'll come up in my DIY holiday decor video. If you're also looking for DIY holiday decor or an easy DIY holiday gift, this I found at Michael's. You can give this as a full present, or you can paint it and gift it like it was a handmade present. It has a unicorn, a rainbow, a donut, and a llama. It says it's for kids, or it looks like it's for kids, but it's just a super cute way, and you don't have to bake anything or make anything from scratch. My friend from Tiny Beach Boutique made these for me last year, and these are very us. I love these. If we had a family Christmas party here, oh man, it would not go over well. Oh, I'm like, what? Took me a while to figure this one out. One thing I will say, I'm having so much trouble thinking of what to do as a tree topper. I don't usually decorate the back of the tree anyways, but for the PG sake, for children's sake, I'm gonna put the PG stuff towards the window. And then for my sake, I have this. I almost forgot. These are a must-have because these have been passed down in my family for generations. Not actually. It's just been here since I was a kid and it's falling apart. And I say this every year, but this is Stefan and this is me. Me in the winter. I was just about to wrap and finish up, and then an idea hit me. And I think I came up with a very good idea for a tree topper. So I'm gonna make that right now. Oh no, oh no, oh no. It's been a couple of years since I've fully immersed myself into the holiday spirit again, and this year it definitely feels full throttle because of the previous year that we missed. So if you want to celebrate the holidays with me, I have a holiday playlist full of wonderful DIY things like DIY holiday gifts. There is a small business gift guide, and then next week is DIY holiday decor. So be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you know when it comes out. If you want to see more content, you can find me on Instagram and TikTok at Letitia Q. Let me know in the comments below how you guys celebrate your holidays and what your favorite holiday tradition is, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.